if a university can be able to produce pearls and diamonds, there is also a possibility it can also produce a rubble or perhaps a scrap.
Tonight, we come together not only to return to this familiar place, but to reconnect with the values, memories, and lifelong bonds that unite us as one Lasallian family. This evening is not merely a gathering of alumni returning to their alma mater. Tonight is also a celebration of excellence, service, and achievement.
To each of you who came home today, thank you for your loyalty, for your support, and for carrying the Lasallian spirit wherever you go. May we continue building a university worthy of its past, responsive to the present, and ready for the future.
It is a moment to honor the accomplishments of Lasallians who continue to make meaningful contributions in their professions and in the communities they serve.
The brothers continue to provide their wisdom, leadership, and spiritual direction, while our lay partners bring professional expertise, innovation, and a deep love for the institution.
Being here today is especially meaningful to me, not only as Mayor of Malabon, but also as a fellow Lasallian. Hope and vision, we must continue building for our future.
I'm here to give what I want, yeah. I got no regrets, I'm not done having fun, yeah. Everything looks brighter now, look at how they shining now. 'Cause I'm here to give what I want, yeah. Happiness, you can buy that, but everything's got a price tag. Gave my all just to get this far, yeah. Working hard just to be here. Get my blood, sweat, and my tears. Now it's my turn to be in charge. So now it's time.
This award is a powerful reminder of the incredible opportunities I have been given. It reinforces my commitment to using the lessons I've learned here to make a positive impact in my field and community.
'Cause I'm here to give what I want, yeah. I got no regrets, I'm not done having fun, yeah. Everything looks brighter now, look at how I be shining now. 'Cause I'm here to give what I want, yeah.
Your continued support of the association, rest assured that we will continue to strengthen our connection with you and involve you in more exciting and meaningful events in the years to come.
But tonight is not just about where the university stands. It is about you. You are the living chapters of our 80-year story.
Maraming salamat, alumni, for making this homecoming a night of memories. To this moment, we carry with us the laughter, the tears, the dreams. DLSAU will always be home. Keep shining, stay connected, and Animo Lasal.
Maraming salamat po and a blessed grand alumni homecoming to everyone. Animo, Lasal!
'Cause